Hi everyone, welcome back to another AI breakdown. Today we're looking over AI agents and what has been the recent activity in the market around AI agents. OpenAI recently released an agent that can do deep research, computer use, and this allows them to do things like book trips for you and other simple tasks on the web. Anthropic as well has released several different agentic tools, such as connecting to your data sources. The context window is getting larger for them, and they're becoming more proficient at doing long-scale AI tasks to complete workflows for you. Google has also released an AI agent. They have Google Agent Space, which also connects to your data and can do multiple long-range tasks for you. As you can see, their interfaces are all very similar. You just have the chat interface with on the side you can see different artifacts and pieces of information. So there's a key difference between a workflow and an agent. A workflow follows specific steps, whereas an agent decides what tasks to take. There's also ambient agents versus chat agents. So an ambient agent works in the background, whereas a chat agent is created by the human. So this is an example of actually running an agent in a notebook. So you're going to install your keys with Google Gemini, and then you're going to also import all your tools. So for example, searching the web, recording notes, writing the report, reviewing the report. These are all specific tools that you're going to be using with the agent. And then you're going to give the task to the agent. So write a report. You're going to show them the tools that they're allowed to use, how you want to print the report, all the data you want to be shown, and you can actually see the agent's thought process. So I know right now everything is being ran in just a notebook right now, but you could easily create a front end where any user could come in onto your website or mobile app and prompt the agent to do this research for them. And then we also have a command at the end that prints out a markdown version of the report. So now I'm just going to create a simple file and copy and paste the report just so we can see what it will look like as the final product. And so this is just a really nice view of it. So what do agents do well? They're good with big ambiguous decisions, whereas they're not as good when it's small routine decisions that are happening very frequently. That's better for a workflow. So next we'll go into what has enabled AI agents to excel. Well, the context windows are much longer now, and models are running with a lot more tokens over time. And this is just allowing the AI agents to kind of think through, plan, and do a lot more in that sense. Thank you so much for listening today. I have all my resources in the comments, and please feel free to reach out to me on LinkedIn or through the comments if you're interested in any new topics or if you just want to have a chat about this subject. Thank you so much and have a great day.